This judge was stunned when a spiteful mother tried to ruin the father with false accusations, but her insane reaction after the verdict made it even worse.
Defendant has not allowed overnight parenting time over the weekend, so he's missed 4 weekends up to date. There have been a number of occasions where she's either shown up late or simply has no-showed, and when she's shown up late, she's oddly enough picked him up right on time. We're requesting make-up parenting time for the 4 weekends, Your Honor. And lastly, Your Honor, we suspect that defendant is going to indicate to the court, well, dad's got some sexual deviance. He's got all these other things going on. She actually called CPS on him. They did an investigation. During that investigation, there was no suspension of parenting time. There was no safety plan put in place, and they've closed their investigation since then. We suspect this more has to do with her wanting to continue the marriage or relationship with my client. She has made intimations to that effect, and she also showed up at his grandmother's house where he lives, barging her way in and assaulting his grandmother, who ultimately ended up getting a PPO against him, or against her. So we suspect it's not really about the children's safety as much as it's another issue relating to their relationship, which again has no bearing on this court's order. So again, we're requesting a week of make-up parenting time starting this Friday and attorney's fees in the amount of $500. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Couch, what's your response?
My response to that, I had consulted CPS because I had found videos of children in diapers with enemas being done to them. And that is part of a sexual fetish of Zachary Conley's. And they told me not to allow visitation if I felt that it was in the children's best interest. And I feel that that is the case.
Court does note, as Mr. Kelly stated, that CPS has been involved. They've closed the case without taking action. As a result, the court would infer from that CPS did not find any basis for proceeding, or they would have sustained and substantiated the allegations. So until they do, the court simply will enforce its orders.
I do have evidence. I'm sorry, excuse me.
Yeah, don't interrupt, ma'am. The court will award to Mr. Kelly the attorney fees of $500 necessitated by this motion to enforce the parenting time will be paid within 45 days of today's date.
May I say something?
Okay, go ahead.
I am trying to get somebody through legal aid. Nobody has been willing to help me. I don't have anybody, and yet he has a sexual fetish that involves children.
Okay.
He's watching children.
That's the order of the court. The order will again be in effect.
I'm filing against the state of Michigan.
Okay, that's the order of the court, ma'am. We're going to end the hearing now.